the trainers one of a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow, nice smile. Her name is Isis. Together with trainer Johnny, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the cutest. Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ira. Together with trainer Vina, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fins or feathers for a marine mammal? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front livers, which are shaped like a bird's wings. See those? The term pinniped may be also translated as wing-footed, since their livers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front livers. And they can also turn their back livers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for Sea Lion Brand? And you know what, guys? They have these long and flexible necks. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for Sea Lion Brand? As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short, coarse hair. And their wings help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both up and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well both up and underwater. They have keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shore, flat rocking lakes with tide woods, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky ledges. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities. And let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that's the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Ira and Trainer Vina. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a bird speed up to 20 feet.
Swim fast, oh.
To 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. How about the run of applause for Icy? So pretty, yeah.
Lalaki man siya.
Wow, nice, nice, girl. And another one. She deserves it.
Yay!
Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part in special operations? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And this cannot be detected by a radar underwater. They're not recognized in a voice underwater mine. Alright, ladies trainers, are you ready? Now, let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute. Now, this time, would you please join our sea lion in a salute? In a count of 3. Everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recovery equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, trainers, what first? The reef. Going to get the reef sea lion first. And they got it. Over the run of truck for IC and IRA. Great job, please. And another one. They are C4 left. So, trainers, what's next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball fire. Almost there. The ball. Steady in. Excellent work, ladies. Now, this time, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends?
Yes!
Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see the dance?
Yes!
Well, here's my song. Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody, come on! And now, show them the side by side. And complete for dancing. Rock and roll, I think. Into the water. The water ballet. Twist it and turn it. And around the world will go. Round and round.
Taba na siya kaayo no ang seal.
On the other side, round and round. Okay, ladies, show them that boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Our favorite part, the boogie shaker. Shake those booty. Go, players. Yeah, and keep on rolling. Okay, ladies, show them what you got. People of the crowd, ready your camera because this is the best part. Steady in. Arriba! And for the finale. Steady in. Now let's go. Yeehaw! A round of applause for Sea Lion Brands and the trainers as well for the great dance number. It's 3. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Awarika with your newfound friends, the South American Sea Lion, IC and IRA. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions like these animals cannot survive a toxic environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as accidents and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our own scenario. Always keep in mind that your people of our planet and that is one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including are done. So on behalf of IC and Trainer Johnny, Ira and Trainer Gina, all of us here at the One Line, Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you